Hi everyone, let's solve this very quickly. We have 3x all squared equals 3x squared. These are not the same thing, right? Because from the left, this is 3x multiplied by 3x, okay? And then 3x squared is there. 3 times 3 is 9, x times x is x squared. And then here we have 3x squared. Now, do not divide both sides by x squared, because if you do that, it becomes unsolvable. You can even reduce it by dividing both sides by 3, so that 3 will go, and 3 will go there. We have 3x squared equals x squared. On no account must you divide both sides by x squared. This is 3, okay? So now, bring this to this side, as we have 3x squared minus x squared equals 0. Now, what do? Let's bring out x squared as a common factor. Then in here, I have 3 minus 1, and that is equal to what? 0. So x squared multiplied by 2, because 3 minus 1 is 2. X squared multiplied by 2 is equal to 0. To proceed, you divide by 2. This will go there. Now, our x squared is equal to 0 over 2, and 0 divided by 2 is defined, and that is equal to 0. Now, this means that x is equal to the square root of 0. Remember, there is nothing like plus or minus 0, so our x is equal to the square root of 0, which is equal to what? 0. So, the value of x in 3x squared equals 3x squared is equal to 0, because 3 times 0 all squared will definitely be equal to 3 times 0 squared. 3 times 0 is 0, and 0 squared will still give us 3 times 0, because 0 squared is 0, then 3 times 0, then 0 squared here is 0, 3 times 0 is still 0. So we are very correct to say that x is equal to 0, and this is the only solution to the equation.